Oh my gosh, look, it's blinding. Hey everybody, I am vlogging today because we are heading to the cottage and I am terribly late. I was supposed to finish editing 2 videos and upload them. I have finished editing 0 videos and uploaded 0. And I'm supposed to leave in 20 minutes to go downtown to pick up Andrew from work and then go to the cottage. And I just finished packing and getting ready. And I wanted to clean. I wanted to do everything. I still haven't packed Walter. It is just a crazy day. And my nose is runny. Anyways, I have to finish. I wanted to be vlogging a lot earlier, but the fact is today is just not my day. That is okay. We are getting ready to go. We're gonna finish packing up and then we are gonna head out. And I am gonna bring you along with me. Ooh, Nelly, it is a hot day. It is right now 82 degrees and Walter and I were just leaving to get gas. And then we're gonna pick up, we are going to pick up Andrew from the train. And we will be headed our way. I gotta get some lunch though, I'm starving. It's 3 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Where did the day go? It doesn't even feel like 3 o'clock. It feels like noon. Done and done. Ooh, it's so dark in here. Train just pulled up. Wally, who are you waiting for? He does this all the time. He just waits for Andrew. Who's that, Wally? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Hello. How's it going? Go. Ready for the long weekend.
Headed right out or going home first?
Headed right out. Ferry to go across the water. Walter, can you wind up Walter's window? Sometimes he barks at the people. Sometimes he barks at the people. The best place in the world. I don't need to go anywhere else. I love this place. It's so beautiful. Oh, this makes me feel so good. He's not too happy that he can't be out with Walter. Where are we, Wally? Hi, Dad. You happy? Wow, it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look, it's blinding. Wow, the dock. Oh my gosh. I haven't been able to go out on the dock in 2 years. Wow, this is so beautiful. I want to cry. This Oh my gosh. I keep saying the same things over and over again, but I really can't tell you how happy I am to be here. We haven't had dinner yet, so we are gonna go to town, pick up some dinner. You wanna pick up some snacks for you?
Yeah.
And dinner, some snacks, lunch for Saturday, and then we'll come back and hang out, and maybe Natalie and Jordan will be here. It is, seriously, I keep saying it, but it's the perfect night. It's beautiful. Look at these old people riding their bikes up ahead of us. That's gonna be us when we get older, Andrew. Look at them.
Riding bikes.
Wow, it looks like we're gonna hit them because I'm like zooming into them.
I'll get all the way through helmet.
Well, you should always wear your helmet. Wait, hold on.
No, I don't like being sentimental in public.
He just said that it was a perfect night, and I was like, can you say that on camera? I love you. He's not.
I'm a private person.
He is a private person, but he married the most open person in the world. Love you. We are heading home from dinner. Just had Wendy's. I got a taco salad, which was surprisingly quite delicious. Then we just stopped at the grocery store to pick up some snackies, picked up dinner for my dad, and now we are headed back to the cottage. Good morning, Walter. Let's leave for a little walk. Good morning. It is so beautiful today. It says it's gonna be cloudy, but there is not a cloud in the sky currently. Oh, there's tons of bugs. Ouch. Bugs. Oh, like look at this. Good morning. See, Walter, you want to go on the dock? Ooh, it's kind of chilly, but it's beautiful. Where are we? We slept really good last night. Not super long. Like, I don't think I fell asleep till like 1 a.m. and it's 8 a.m. so it's not bad. We just didn't sleep in a ton. And Walter always has kind of a hard night the first night. He just got up actually just once. Just kind of figuring things out. But I don't know what the plan today is. I don't care as long as I'm here. Ooh, it's brisk. Ooh. Oh, let me out. We are at my dad's favorite restaurant. Thank you. What are you gonna get, Natalie? that's terrible. What are you gonna get?
I don't know.
I don't remember what the menu is.
Well, you're gonna find out.
Having a lumberjack special. Glass of water and toothpick.
Their actually half pounds are really good.
Wow. Look. Oh wait.
Is that what they call them, the croutons?
Right.
Maybe.
Wow.
Oh, we'll wait for Dad.
That's so good. Yummy. We just came back from breakfast and we're picking up the truck and some tools because we're going to our other cottage, which is across the lake. And I don't know exactly what my dad is doing, and then he's got to go pick up his boat. Lots of stuff to get ready for this weekend and the summer. This is kind of the weekend that we get everything ready for summertime. Walter is just so hyper. He's kind of crazy right now. And there's other dogs that were kind of barking at him. Walter, what's this? I have to take these tags off. Hopefully it lasts. Beautiful day. Andrew is so tired. He wants me to steer so he can close his eyes. Stop it.
Try it.
No, stop. I don't like this game. It's so dark in here. No, stop. Open your eyes. I don't like this game. It's so beautiful. No, stop it. We're getting a tree cut down. It's almost... Oh, it's down. There it is. Dang. What are you thinking of, Wally? Pretty rough. We were gonna get the boat in the water, but it's a little too rough. We are in Kingston to do a little shopping downtown. Oh, I wish I did not look like this. I just look really, really crazy. Hopefully, maybe find some running shoes. Oh no.
Got it.
My phone just fell all the way down there. Thank you. Oh. You okay? Hold on, the door's not locked. Oh. He's got a display. These places are so cute. This is the best. More shopping. Gonna look for some shoes. Shoes. So I kind of like it. Oh. It's not bad. I'm looking for running shoes. I got a pair of running shoes. So happy with them. And they're very comfortable. These ones, these old Nike ones, have bit the dust. They stink, and I have an ankle injury and a bit of a heel spur, and they do not help with either one of those. So, woohoo for new shoes. I never get new running shoes. I've had these ones since like 5 years, since we got married. Crazy. Back to the cottage now. I lied. We went to PetSmart. because we needed to get Walter a tether so that he can play outside and we don't have to like watch him all the time. But we jokingly were like, we should get him socks, and we found these Batman socks. Funny enough, I actually didn't want the Batman socks. I wanted these other ones, but they didn't fit him. These ones were like the biggest ones. Well, we assumed that they won't fit him. So when we're at the cottage, all you can hear on the floor is Walter going tick, 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 walking around, and it is so annoying. So Andrew today was like, we should put socks on Walter, and I was like, ha ha, that'd be so funny, but like I didn't really think that socks existed, and here we are. We just found socks. So hopefully they fit him because they are super cute. I really do like the Batman. I just wanted these. They had other cute ones too. So, okay, now we're leaving civilization and we're going deep into the forest. Deep into the haunted forest. Wally! Where's my puppy? Where's my puppy? Oh, he's a mama's boy. We got you a present. You're not gonna like it though. We bought him a tether, Dad. Such a beautiful. He won't get up. Okay, Walter's got his Batman socks on, but he won't get up. Oh.
Hi. Look at you.
Come on.
Come on, up you go. There you go.
Okay, I just want to see Walter.
You're missing it. It's so much quieter.
Yeah, it is.
Walter. Walter.
Everyone's just playing cards and we're watching the hockey game. Walter is sleeping. It is the perfect way to end a wonderful night. I will see you again for another video. Good night.